in here and push this button, and then at the same time it goes all the way to there. So that one works. Now I'm gonna use this one. This one even goes in orange. No, navy blue. Because that's blue. Haven't tried.
It's pretty cool.
Like the
Alright, so let's race some Hot Wheels. So which one you're gonna pick?
I'm gonna pick this one.
Alright, let me choose a green one. Okay? Yeah, you have to sit behind for safety and everything, yeah. Alright, so are you ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Both of them crashed.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Okay.
No, things. I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
There's this one.
Alright, it's not working.
You go first.
No, 1, 2, 3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I won.
Okay.
Yeah.